You should still be in Chapter 3 Facade Bevel Profile 02.max. If not, open the file Chapter 3 Facade Bevel Profile 03.max. Right-click in the top viewport to activate it. In the top viewport, make sure that you have the roof profile shape selected. This time, we're going to use the Zoom Extents Selected tool. This works very similar to the Zoom Extents All Selected. However, it works on a single viewport instead of all the viewports at the same time. So here in the lower right corner, in the Navigate toolset, it's the second icon from the left on the top row. Click and hold the button and choose the Zoom Extents Selected option. That works on just the active viewport and zooms to just the selected objects. You should now see the complete profile in the top viewport. It zoomed in on this object because you've selected it prior to zooming. We're going to work in the 2D shape subobject mode. Go to the Modify panel and make sure you've expanded the line in the modifier stack. So you should have a roof profile selected. We're going to work at the subobject vertex level. Select Vertex in the modifier subobject list. That will turn on the vertex subobject mode. Now we can edit the 2D shape at the vertex level. Select the vertex at the top of the 2D shape. We're going to move this vertex to edit the shape of our roof. We want to change this to look more like a hip roof. In the main toolbar, click on the Select and Move tool. And in the top viewport, grab the Transform gizmo at the intersection of the small plane. That will allow us to move the vertex in both the X and the Y axis simultaneously. As you move the vertex, watch your roof. Watch the shape of the roof change as you change the position of the vertex. You can change the slope of the roof by moving up or down, and you can change whether or not there's a flat portion of the roof by moving the vertex left or right. Moving to the right opens the roof to a more mansard style roof. Moving the vertex to the left makes it a hip style roof. We want to move it over to the left so it's a hip style roof. Try moving the vertex so that there is very little or no noticeable flat area on the top of the roof. This roof is now a hip roof, as we can see in the perspective viewport. Exit subobject vertex mode by clicking in the modifier stack view on the line, and then press Ctrl S to save the file. You have edited a simple 2D shape to affect a 3D object created by the Bevel Profile modifier. Again, flexibility and efficiency. We create simple 2D shapes, use modifiers to change those 2D shapes into 3D objects. Then we can edit the 2D shapes to make dramatic changes in the 3D objects.